In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook Marketplace account for 2025. Whether you're looking to buy or sell locally, Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic place to start. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure you're set up with ease. First, let's navigate to Facebook's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to click on Create New Account. This will start the process of setting up your Facebook account, which is necessary to access Marketplace features. Once you're on the sign up page, it's time to input your personal details, beginning with your first name. Make sure it's your real first name as Facebook prefers accurate information. Next, enter your last name. Again, it's important to use your actual surname as this is part of Facebook's efforts to keep everything transparent and trustworthy on their platform. With your name entered, you'll proceed to insert your birthday. Choose your birth date from the drop-down menus. Remember, you must be at least 13 years old to create an account. After that, you'll be asked to choose your gender. Facebook uses this information to customize your experience, so select the option that best suits you. Once you've selected your gender, it's time to enter either your email address or mobile number. This will be your login credential, and it's crucial for verifying your account, so double check it's correct. Then, you'll need to choose a new password. Your password should be strong, yet memorable. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance its security. After inputting your password, review your information and click on Sign Up. Once you've clicked Sign Up, you'll need to verify your identity. Facebook will send a confirmation code to your email or phone number. Keep an eye on your inbox or messages for this code. It might take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. After receiving the code, enter it promptly to verify your account. This step ensures you're a real person and helps secure your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. You're all set up with a Facebook account. Now that you have an active Facebook account, you can navigate to the Facebook Marketplace. Browse listings or list your own items to get started in your local buying and selling journey. Remember, safety first. Always meet in public places and be wary of too good to be true offers. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now ready to explore everything Facebook Marketplace has to offer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider subscribing for more helpful videos and tips. Thank you for watching, and happy buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace.